काय आले? अरे अनम्यूटच ठेवायचं असतं ते. अहो अनम्यूटच ठेवायचं ते.
का? मगाशी येत होतं ना?
होय आलेलं ना स्टार्ट द लेक्चर. स्पीकिंग ऑन. काय केलं ते? झालेलं की ऑन त्यांचं स्क्रीन. आवाज फक्त येत नव्हता ना. रेकॉर्डिंग करू काय?
रेकॉर्डिंग कशाला? तेच म्हणलं असं.
आपण कचरावर अजून सेटिंग करावी.
असं का व्हायला लागली?
तुमचं पण ऑडिओ सुरू झालं.
Okay, okay. Can you hear me now?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Sorry.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah. Can anyone explain me the solution for this? The density of a 3 molar solution of NaCl is 1.25 gram per ml. You need to calculate the molality of the solution. Whenever you are given molarity, what is the first step?
Formula. Right formula.
Okay, formula. Okay, write the formula. Okay. After that, okay, molarity का formula क्या होगा? Moles of solute
upon mass of solvent.
Volume of solution.
Molarity. Volume of solution in liters. Okay. उसके बाद the molarity is given as 3 molar. After this,
1 liter solution.
assume 1 liter of the solution. Very good. Assume 1 liter of solution. In that case, the moles of solute will become 3 moles. If you know volume of the solution and if you know the density, can't you find the mass of the solution?
Yes, sir.
Mass of solution will be equal to density is 1.25. Density times volume, right? Density into volume. Density is 1.25 gram per ml. Volume is 1 liter मतलब 1000 ml हो गया. ml cancel होगा. So it is 1250 grams. What will be mass of solvent?
Mass of solution minus mass of solute.
Mass of solution minus mass of solute. Mass of solution is 1250 grams. What is the mass of solute? If you know the moles of it, can you find the mass of the solute? Which is 3 mole into 58.5 gram per mole. Mole cancel होगा. What is 3 times 58.5? What is 3 times 58.5?
175.5.
175.5.
176.4.
176 है क्या?
Yes, sir. 176.
175.
175.
5.
175 here. It is 175. 175.5. 1250 minus 175.5 is 1074.5 grams होगा. You need to put the mass of the solvent in kg. Molality is moles of solute upon mass of solvent in kg. kg में कितना हो जाएगा? It is 1.0745 kg होगा ना. So the molality is moles is 3 upon 1.0745, which comes out to be almost 2.8 molal. Is the question clear?
Yes, sir.
Whenever you are given molarity, start with 1 liter of the solution. I hope this is clear. You know the volume of the solution, you know the density of it, you can find the mass of it. Once you know the moles of the solute, you can find the mass of the solute. So from the mass of the solution and the mass of the solute, you can find the mass of the solvent. I hope सभी लोगों ने questions घर पे attempt किया है. Okay, next question. Calculate the volume of concentrated sulfuric acid containing 98% H2SO4 by mass that would contain 40 grams of pure H2SO4. मतलब क्या है? Question का, you are having some solution. The solution's property is it is 98% weight upon weight H2SO4. From this particular solution, you need to take out some volume of it. और वॉल्यूम निकालते ही उसके अंदर if you calculate the mass of H2SO4 in this particular V volume, you need to have 40 gram of H2SO4. Okay. So they have given you percentage weight by weight. So write the formula for that. What is percentage weight by weight? Weight of solute upon weight of solution percentage weight by weight. The 98 must be equal to weight of solute. They want 40 grams of the pure H2SO4. So weight of solute कितना हो जाएगा? 40 gram divided by weight of solution, which we need to find into 100. So weight of solution is 4000 upon 98 grams. but they're not asking the weight, they're asking the volume. Volume क्या हो जाएगा? Density is equals to mass upon volume. So volume is mass upon density, which is equal to 4000 upon 98 grams divided by 1.84 gram per ml. Gram cancel होगा. This is equal to 4000 divided by 98 into 1.84, which comes out to be almost equal to, equation किया है सभी लोग, 22.2 ml. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. कुछ डाउट है इस क्वेश्चन में किसी को?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. Next question. A 49% weight by weight solution of H2SO4 in water has a density of 1.2 gram per ml. Calculate the molarity and molality of the solution. करना क्या है बताओ? How to start?
100 gram solution.
Okay. You are given percentage weight by weight. Hence you need to assume 100 grams of solution. If you know the density, can you find the volume of solution? Density of solution equal to 1.2 gram per ml. This implies volume of solution is equal to 100 gram upon 1.2 gram per ml, which is equal to 100 upon 1.2 ml. But in molarity, you need to substitute the volume in terms of liters. So it will be 100 upon 1.2 into 10 raised to minus 3 liters, which is equal to 1 by 12 liters. Okay. ठीक है. What is the mass of solute? If you are assuming 100 grams of the solution, the percentage weight by weight value is nothing but the mass of the solute. So this will be equal to 49 grams. Moles of solute will be, this is the H2SO4. Moles will be given mass upon molecular mass, 98 gram per mole, which is equal to half mole. So molarity is nothing but moles of solute upon volume of solution in liters, which is equal to half divided by 1 upon 12, 6 molar. What will be molality? Moles of solute upon mass of solvent in kg. Moles of solute is half mole. What is the mass of solvent? Mass of solvent is mass of solution, which is 100 minus mass of solute is 49 grams. Into kgs में put करना है, so you need to substitute into 10 raised to minus 3, which is equal to 1000 upon 51 into 2, 102. यही होगा 1000 upon 102, which is equal to almost 9.8 molar. क्लियर है?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
आई होप सभी लोगों ने इस वाला क्वेश्चंस होमवर्क में किया होगा। इनके अलावा और भी क्वेश्चंस मैंने पोस्ट किया है होमवर्क के लिए, उनमें से कुछ क्वेश्चंस मैं डिस्कस कर रहा हूँ, उसके बाद कुछ थोड़ा कॉन्सेप्ट भी पढ़ते हैं आज। सी द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, द नंबर ऑफ H plus ions present in 100 ml of 0.001 molar H2SO4 solution will be। जो लोग ने अटेम्प्ट नहीं किया, काइंडली अटेम्प्ट नाउ, टेक 2 minutes and post your answer in the chat। The number of H plus ions present in 100 ml of 0.001 molar H2SO4 solution is।
सर
या
सर ये YouTube पे क्लियर नहीं दिखता, सब ब्लर दिखता है, ऐसे क्वेश्चंस बॉक्स में आते हैं वो।
ओके ओके ओके, ठीक है, नेक्स्ट टाइम से आई विल राइट questions down, I won't be taking the screenshot, I will write the questions down। thank you, I will take care from the next time। they're asking the number of H plus ions present in 100 ml of 0.01 molar H2SO4 solution। the idea is, if you're having H2SO4, it will take as 2H positive and SO4 2 minus। so from every mole of H2SO4, you are getting 2 moles of H positive। so first calculate the moles of H2SO4 present in the system with the help of its molarity and volume। once you know the moles of H2SO4, you can find the moles of H positive। कुछ लोगों को बी आया है, कुछ लोगों को ए आया है। ओके, you need to substitute the volume in terms of liters for molarity। ऑप्शन बी, ऑप्शन ए। देखते हैं, what is the molarity of H2SO4 given? It is given as 0.001 molar। molarity का फॉर्मूला क्या होता है? It will be moles of H2SO4 upon volume of solution in liters। so moles of H2SO4 will be equal to 0.001 into volume of solution in liters is 0.1 liters, 100 ml is 0.1 liters, so which is equal to 10 raised to minus 4 moles। so moles of H positive will be equal to 2 into 10 raised to minus 4 mole, which is equal to 2 into 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 into 10 raised to minus 4। 2 into 6 is 12.04, okay, 044 or 12.04, into 10 raised to 19, 12.04 into 10 raised to 19, you can do this as, you can multiply by 10, divide it by 10, which will become 1.204 into 10 raised to 20. So answer is B. Answer is not A, answer is B. Please take care of your calculations. 10 raised to 23 into 10 raised to minus 4 is 10 raised to 19. 2 into 6 is 12 point something. By shifting that particular decimal, you need to multiply and divide it by 10.
सर
Yeah.
आपने मोलैरिटी का लिया क्या मोलैलिटी?
Molarity लिया है because it is given capital M. Capital M is the symbol for molarity.
सर पर ऊपर का क्वेश्चन
हाँ,
आपने यही फॉर्मूला लिया था मोलैलिटी को.
मोलालिटी को यह फॉर्मूला, ये मोलारिटी के लिए मोलालिटी के लिए है ऊपर वाला क्वेश्चन में. मोलारिटी इज मोल्स ऑफ सोल्यूट अपॉन वॉल्यूम ऑफ सॉल्यूशन इन लीटर. मोलारिटी के लिए यही लिया था, मोलालिटी के लिए दूसरा है. क्लियर है?
हाँ हाँ यस सर.
ओके ओके. इज द क्वेश्चन क्लियर टू ऑल?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. From next lecture, we will be starting with new chapter. Next lecture में भी कुछ questions करवाता हूँ, उसके बाद I will start with new chapter, atomic structure. Anyway, तुम लोग तो Saturday Sunday को छुट्टी मिल रहे हैं ना? ठीक है. Next question. 500 ml of glucose solution contains 6.02 into 10 power 22 molecules. They are asking the concentration of the solution. If nothing is mentioned about which concentration, always the default concentration term is molarity. Or else options में तुम लोग देख सकते हो M दिया है, मतलब you need to calculate molarity. So what will be the formula? Molarity is equals to moles of solute upon volume of solution in liters. The volume is given as 500 ml, which is nothing but 0.5 liters. 6.02 into 10 power 22 molecules, मतलब moles में कितना हो जाएगा?
0.1.
0.1, because we know 6.022 into 10 power 23 as 1 mole. So 6.022 into 10 power 22 molecules will become how many moles? Unitary method, 6.022 into 10 power 22 upon 6.022 into 10 power 23 into 1, which is equal to 0.1 mole. So molarity will become 0.1 upon 0.5 is nothing but half, 0.2 molar. So answer is C. Okay.
Yes, sir.
आसान है.
Yes sir.
Solve question 3. After solving question 3, we will see some concept. Solve question number 3. Given mole fraction, what is the first step? If you are given mole fraction, formula ठीक है, formula तो ठीक है सबके लिए, but what is the assumption we need to make?
1 mole of
1 mole solution.
Assume 1 mole of solution. Very good. Please solve this. Put your answer in the chat.
सर
Yeah.
सर ये चैट ऑप्शन किधर आ रहा है कि आप इस मीटिंग में ही नहीं हो?
यहाँ पे है ना चैट ऑप्शन, आप लोग के कंसोल
हाँ,
में
सर।
राइट मोस्ट में रहेगा.
हाँ सर, तो मैं ऑप्शंस भेज रही हूँ तो आ रहा है कि यू आर नॉट इन दिस मीटिंग.
You are not in this meeting आ रहा है. You are in the meeting ना.
हाँ सर. यस सर.
ओके ओके. तुम आंसर बता सकते हो. आंसर आने के बाद
सर ऑप्शन
बता
ए
देना.
13.8.
ऑप्शन. ओके ओके. You are not in the meeting. Okay. ऑप्शन ए आ रहा है बहुत लोगों को. गुड. ओके. विल सी. ऑलरेडी सॉल्व किया है क्या होमवर्क? किस किसने होमवर्क अटेम्प्ट किया है? दैट
Yes, sir.
एक्सरसाइज 5
Yes,
and some other
sir.
questions.
Yes, sir.
किया है.
ओके. एक्सरसाइज. कोई दूसरा आवाज से कोई तो यस सर करके बोल रहे हैं. ठीक है. इट्स कंप्लीटली फाइन. ठीक है. आई थिंक क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 and 7 में तुम लोग को दिक्कत आया होगा. क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 and 7 में सॉल्व कर पाए क्या? 6 and 7.
No, sir.
No, sir.
ओके. सो इस पर्टिकुलर क्वेश्चन में क्या कहना है? एज्यूम sorry 1 mole of solution. Moles of solute will become 0.2 mole. Moles of solvent will become 1 minus 0.2, which is equal to 0.8 mole. Once you know the moles of the solvent, you can find the mass of it. Mass of solvent will be equal to 0.8 mole into 18 gram per mole. Mole cancel होगा. What is 18 times 0.8? Anyone?
14.4.
18 times 14.4 grams में आएगा ये. But you need to substitute in terms of kgs. So it will be 14.4 into 10 raised to minus 3 kg. Molality equals to moles of solute upon mass of solvent in kg, which is equal to 0.2 mole upon 14.4 into 10 raised to minus 3, which is 1000 into 0.2 upon 14.4. अगर ये कैलकुलेट किया तो एक बार क्रॉस चेक कर लेता हूँ. The answer comes out to be 13.888 or 13.8 molal. Okay. Yeah, the clear. I hope. I hope questions 4 and 5 are also easy. वो questions भी तुम लोग से बन गया होगा. अगर किसी को कुछ doubt है तो you can ask me after the lecture. Question 6 and 7 के लिए I will be explaining the concept now. Mixing and dilution of solutions. Mixing and dilution of solutions. First, we will look into mixing of solution. Suppose if you have two solutions, you have solution A and you have solution B. The property of solution A is उसका molarity दिया है हमको M1 and the volume दिया है V1. And the property of solution B is उसका molarity दिया है M2, वॉल्यूम दिया है V2 and both the solutions are made up of same solutes. The solutes are not different. अगर एक ग्लूकोज का solution है तो दूसरा भी ग्लूकोज का ही है, एक HCl solution है तो दूसरा भी HCl ही है. Suppose if I am mixing these two solutions, what will be the final volume? What
V1
is the
plus
volume?
V2.
V1 plus V2. So the final volume is V1 plus V2. You need to find what will be the final molarity. MF indicates final molarity. The individual molarities of two solutions are M1 and M2 respectively. If I am mixing those two, what will be the final molarity?
M1 V1 plus M2 V2 by V1 plus V2.
Very good. Very good. Who is this?
Shiv Prasad Chaudhary.
Okay. Okay, Shiv Prasad. Can you explain me the logic behind this?
Sir, if two solutions are added, then
Then
of first solution molarity into volume plus second solution molarity into volume by total volume.
okay, तुमने जो फॉर्मूला बताया है ऐसा क्यों बोल रहा है? फर्स्ट सॉल्यूशन मोलारिटी इनटू वॉल्यूम प्लस सेकंड सॉल्यूशन मोलारिटी इनटू वॉल्यूम अपॉन टोटल वॉल्यूम.
मोलैरिटी इनटू वॉल्यूम का मोल्स आता है मोल.
हाँ, मोलारिटी इनटू वॉल्यूम मोल्स आता है. सॉल्यूशन ए में जो मोल्स रहेगा सोल्यूट का, सॉल्यूशन बी में जो मोल्स रहेगा सोल्यूट का. इफ आई एम एडिंग दिस टू, द टोटल मोल्स हैज टू बी moles in solution A plus moles in solution B. Molarity के लिए formula will always be moles of solute upon volume of solution. So final molarity will be total number of moles, total moles of solute upon volume of, or I can say final volume of solution. Solution A में moles कितना होगा? Solution A molarity M1 दिया है, moles हम N1 मान लेते हैं, N1 upon V1. So N1 will be equal to M1 V1. Solution B में molarity M2 है तो it is some N2 upon V2. So the moles of solute will be M2 V2. So if you are doing A plus B, total moles will become N1 plus N2, which is equal to M1 V1 plus M2 V2. So final molarity will be equal to N1 plus N2 upon V1 plus V2, which is equal to M1 V1 plus M2 V2 upon V1 plus V2. So whenever you are mixing two solutions, the final molarity or the resultant molarity will be M1 V1 plus M2 V2 upon V1 plus V2. If you are having the solution made up of some A, B, C, D components, final molarity क्या हो जाएगा? Individual molarities and volumes are M1 V1, M2 V2, M3 V3 and M4 V4. It will be equal to M1 V1 plus M2 V2 अगर n components है तो so on some Mn Vn upon V1 plus V2 plus V3 plus V4. Okay. और एक सिंपल कैलकुलेशन जल्दी करने के लिए, इफ यू आर गिवन द वॉल्यूम इन टर्म्स ऑफ ml, डोंट कन्वर्ट दैट इनटू लीटर्स, क्योंकि न्यूमरेटर में भी ml में पुट करेंगे, डिनोमिनेटर में भी ml में पुट करेंगे, सो ml कैंसिल हो जाएगा. नो नीड टू वरी, आई हैव टू कन्वर्ट दिस इनटू लीटर्स, इसके बाद सब्स्टिट्यूट करना है. If you are given the volume in terms of ml, go with it. जो volume दिया है वही substitute कर लेना. Denominator में भी volume ml में ही put करेंगे. Numerator और denominator दोनों same है, cancel हो जाएंगे. Okay? ठीक है. This is about mixing of solutions. So you can attempt question number 6 after this. If I talk about dilution of solution. Suppose if you are having a solution whose molarity is M1 and volume is V1. To this particular solution, you are adding some water. Okay. You are adding some water and suppose the volume of water added is some V2. Before addition, the molarity of the solution is M1. After adding volume V2, what will be the final molarity? Dekho, the basic logic is molarity is always moles of solute upon volume of solution in liters. Upon addition of water, am I changing the moles of the solute?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes or no? If I add water inside it, will I change the moles of the solute?
नो सर
Yes.
No, solute का नहीं,
सोल्यूट का नहीं चाहिए
Solute का तो change नहीं होगा ना?
solvent हो.
You are add solvent का change, solute का तो change नहीं होगा. So initially जो molarity M1 volume V1 में जितना moles है solute का, dilution के बाद भी उतना ही रहेगा.
यस सर
Initial moles के लिए क्या करेंगे? Molarity is moles upon volume of the solution. So moles कितना हो जाएगा? This is equal to M1 V1, which should be equal to final moles. As on dilution, moles of solute won't change. Okay. What is the final volume? Initially the volume is V1. You are adding the volume V2. So final volume will become V1 plus V2. So what will be the final molarity? It is final moles, which are M1 V1. And so final moles upon final volume, which is M1 V1 upon V1 plus V2. Okay. Is this clear? So this is the effect on molarity. This is the effect of molarity on dilution. So whenever I'm diluting the solution, what is happening to the molarity? Is it increasing or decreasing?
Decreasing.
Decreasing. It will always decrease, right? On increasing the volume or increasing the dilution or increasing the amount of solvent, the molarity will always decrease. So the dilution will have some effect on molarity. Okay. So a dilution के case में, in the question, basically you will see two types of terminologies, like a solution of molarity M1 and volume V1 is diluted by V2 amount of water, is diluted by V2 amount of water. In this case, V final will be equal to V1 plus V2. It is diluted by V2 amount. दूसरा और एक टर्मिनोलॉजी आता है, a solution of molarity M2 और वही रखते हैं, a solution of molarity m1 and volume v1 is diluted to volume v2. In this case, they are saying it is diluted to volume v2. In this case, what is the final volume?
V2.
If the final volume is v2, you should not add v1 plus v2. The final volume itself is v2. If the final volume is v2, what will be the final molarity in this case? It will be m1 v1. Total moles are m1 v1 upon v2. इस particular case में what will be the final molarity? It is diluted by v2. Diluted by v2 मतलब you are adding v2 amount to v1 amount. So in this case it will be m1 v1 upon v1 plus v2. So take care of this. If they are saying that diluted to volume v2, diluted by volume v2. Okay.
Yes,
Everyone, mixing of the solution and dilution of solution. Are these two clear? The basic idea is whenever you are mixing two solutions, the total moles of the solute will be increasing. The total moles inside the final solution will be equal to sum of individual moles, which are m1 v1 plus m2 v2. Final volume is v1 plus v2. Dilution के case में, on dilution you are increasing the volume of the solvent. You are not changing the moles of the solute. So initially moles जितना रहेगा, final भी उतना ही रहेंगे. Initial moles are m1 v1. So just substitute the final volume. If they're saying it as diluted by v2 ml or by v2 liters, the final volume will become v1 plus v2. If it is diluted to v2, the final volume will become v2. Okay, solve this question. You are given solutions of NaCl, solution A, B and C. A का वॉल्यूम भी दिया है, मोलारिटी भी दिया है, B का वॉल्यूम भी दिया है, मोलारिटी भी दिया है, C का वॉल्यूम दिया है, but molarity is unknown. They gave you the final molarity. You need to find the molarity of C.
Sir, 0.4.
Okay, we will check. We'll check the answer.
सर
0.4 आ रहा है क्या सबको?
सर
क्या?
सर ये मिलीलीटर लीटर में कन्वर्ट करना होगा पहले.
अभी मिलीलीटर लीटर में इसमें कन्वर्ट करने की जरूरत नहीं है, इसलिए जरूरत नहीं है. सपोज द फॉर्मूला इज m final is MAVA plus MBVB plus MCVC upon VA plus VB plus VC. अभी ये 0.25 दिया है. सपोज इफ यू आर नॉट कन्वर्टिंग इट, तब क्या पुट करेंगे? 0.15 into 150 ml हुआ plus 0.2 into 200 ml plus some x into 150 upon 150 plus 150 500 ml ना. So numerator में भी ml में है ना. This is also in ml. This is also in ml. This is also in ml. Denominator भी ml में है. ये ml पूरा cancel हो जाएगा. No need to worry. नहीं तो लीटर्स में पुट करने के लिए क्या करेंगे, न्यूमरेटर में इंटू 10⁻³ 10⁻³ 10⁻³ सारा वॉल्यूम के लिए, डिनोमिनेटर में भी 10⁻³ 10⁻³ कॉमन तो है ही है, कैंसिल हो जाएगा.
यस सर.
अगर
थैंक यू सर.
कन्वर्ट करके सब्स्टिट्यूट करना है तो कर सकते हो, बट उतना बैक ऑफ द माइंड उतना टेंशन लेने की जरूरत नहीं. So this is 0.25 into 500. This is equal to 0.15 into 150 plus 0.2 into 200 plus some 150x. What is 0.25 into 500? 1/4 into 500 ना कितना होता है? This is 125. What is 0.15 into 150?
22.5.
22.5.
2.5.
What is 0.2 into 200?
40.
40.
40 plus 150x. So 150x will be equal to 125 minus 22.5 minus 40, which is equal to
62.5.
62.5. 62.5. So x कितना हो जाएगा? It is 62.5 upon 150.
0.417.
0.417. Very good. 0.417 molar. जो मैथ्स का कैलकुलेशन जो भी है वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, एंड जितना लास्ट डेसिमल तक जितना जा सकते हो उतना चले जाओ. डोंट लीव दिस एज 0.4. you can write that as 0.42 or you can write this as 0.417. So for JEE mains you will be having some integer questions. According to new model, you will be having 25 questions. Out of those 25 questions, 20 questions you will be having options, and 5 questions you need to put the answer. You need to mark the answer. Integer questions, whose answers will be not necessarily integers. They are not integer questions. They can be fractions too. 0.417 आया तो अगर in case if you are substituting 0.4 जल्दी में कैलकुलेशन करके 0.4 सब्स्टिट्यूट किया, आंसर गलत होगा. 0.41 भी सब्स्टिट्यूट किया, अगर if they are saying that it is 0.417 वही सही रहेगा, 0.41 भी गलत होगा. 0.42 पुट कर लिया तुम लोग अप्रॉक्सीमेट करके, वो भी गलत हो जाएगा. So be careful while solving. Okay, solve this question. Calculate the final concentration of solute after 250 ml of 5 molar some solution, antifreeze solution, is mixed with 500 ml of 4 molar antifreeze solution and diluted to 2 liters with water. You need to find the final concentration. Is a particular question may they are mixing the solution. Yeah. In this particular question, they are mixing as well as diluting it. पहले मिक्स किया दोनों को, उसके बाद the final solution they diluted to 2 liters. So try to identify the final volume of the solution and try to identify the final moles of the solute.
One 1.625.
1.625. Okay, we will see, we will check. बाकी लोग 0.417. ओके, बाकी लोग भी अपना आंसर चार्ट में पुट कर सकते हो. What is the final volume of the solution?
2000.
2 liters.
2000 ml or 2 liters.
2 liters.
Okay, good. You should not add 250 plus 500 plus 2 liters. It is diluted to 2 liters with water. The final volume is 2 liters. If they are saying they are diluting it by 2 liters, then you need to add 2 liters plus 250 ml plus 500 ml. Any other answers? Okay. 1.125. Calculations अपना check करो सभी लोग. Different calculations. Take your time, but don't do these mathematical mistakes. If you know the concept and if you are unable to solve it because of maths, बुरा लगेगा.
Sir, 1625.
What will be the final moles? It will be equal to M1V1 plus M2V2. Final volume. In this case, it is given as 2 liters. अगर वो volume जो ml में दिया है ना, if you don't want to convert that into liters, you can convert this volume into ml. 2000 ml put कर सकते हो. So final molarity will be 5 into 250 plus 4 into 500 upon 2000. 5 into 250 is 1250 plus 2000 upon 2000, which is equal to 3250 upon 2000, 325 upon 2, 325 divided by 2, which is 162.5 divided by 100. 162.5 divided by 100, which is equal to 1.625 answer. The answer is 1.625 molar. .625 is the right answer. 1.125 नहीं है. Calculation अपना cross check करो. And आर्या 2.6 नहीं है. देखो calculation. The final molarity is final moles upon final volume. If in the numerator, if you are substituting the volume in terms of ml, maintain the same thing. Denominator में भी ml में substitute करो. Okay. Is this clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
इसमें I have asked you to attempt question 6 and 7 from in-text exercise 5. अभी देख लेते हैं. I will give you those questions. I hope यहाँ तक सबको clear है.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Worksheet. Okay. Okay, solve this question first. The volume of water that must be added to a mixture of 250 ml and 750 ml to form 0.25 molar solution of HCl.
Sir, C.
Put your answers in the chat. C, एक मिनट D. इतना जल्दी सॉल्व कर लिया तुम लोग. Let the volume that must be added be some V. Final volume will become 250 plus 750 plus V. V ml ही रख लेते हैं. M final will be equal to M1 V1, which is 250 into 0.6 plus M2 V2, which is 750 into 0.2 upon 250 plus 750 plus some V. Final दिया है हमको 0.25 must be equal to, what is 250 into 0.6? 150 होगा. 250 into 0.6 is 150. What is 750 into 0.2?
150.
150.
ये भी 150 होगा. Divided by 1000 plus V. So 250 upon 100 equals to 300 upon 1000 plus V. This is 12 times. So 1000 plus V must be equal to 1200. So V is equals to 1200 minus 1000, which is 200 ml. So the answer is 200. C. C right. Okay. C is the right answer. Good, very good. Basic formula application ही है, कुछ नहीं करना है. You need to understand the question. Okay. Question number 7 भी solve कर लेते हैं. 250 ml of sodium carbonate solution contains 2.65 grams of Na2CO3. If 10 ml of this solution is diluted to 1 liter, what is the concentration of the resultant solution? Take 5 minutes of your time, try to understand and try to do the question. What is the molecular mass of Na2CO3? 103 already. They are not taking the entire 250 ml and they are not diluting it to 1 liter. They are taking only 10 ml of it. Okay. Zero point zero zero one, 0.001, option D, 0.1, option D, option D. Okay. कुछ लोग D बोल रहे हैं, कुछ लोग D बोल रहे हैं. We will see. क्वेश्चन में क्या दिया है? You are having solution is 250 ml. It is a solution of Na2CO3. Out of this, you are taking only 10 ml of it. जो 10 ml है, इसको हम dilute करके, and then making this final volume 2 is diluted to 1 liter ना. So इसका final volume 1 liter में convert कर रहा हूँ. Okay. So इस particular solution का जो भी molarity रहेगा, ये 10 ml का भी वही molarity रहेगा. So first find the molarity of it. Molarity is equals to moles of solute upon volume of solution in liters. what will be the moles of solute? It will be
Zero point
rate
zero
of
two.
solute divided by 106 divided by 250 ml is nothing but 1 by 4 liters, which is equal to 0.025 into 4 हो जाएगा molarity.
Yes, sir.
ये सही है? Which
Yes.
is 0.1 molar. ये जो 10 ml solution रहेगा, 10 ml solution का भी molarity कितना होगा? 0.1 molar ही रहेगा. Final volume is 1000 ml. Final molarity क्या होगा? It will be m into v upon v final. Molarity is 0.1, volume is 10 divided by 1000. So answer is 10 raised to minus 3 है. Answer is 0.001 molar. Answer is B. Option D नहीं है, option B है. The volume which we are taking to dilute is only 10 ml. So उस 10 ml में moles कितना होगा? Moles will be 0.1 into 10. 0.1 into 10 upon V final is 1000. Is the question clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If anyone has any doubt, please ask me.
सर
फिफ्थ क्वेश्चन है
हम दूसरे मेथड से भी कर सकते हैं, मतलब 250 ml में 2.65 ग्राम सोडियम कार्बोनेट है.
Yeah, you can do that as well.
हाँ,
Very
फिर
good.
10 ml
10
में
ml में
कितना होगा
रहेगा उसके
और
बाद
into 1000.
into 1000 वो भी चलेगा, वो भी कर
हाँ
सकते हो.
हाँ यस सर.
मैंने पहले ही molarity find करके the solution का definition. The molarity of the solution will be uniform. 10 ml लो, उसका 50 ml लो, उसका molarity तो उतना रहेगा, वो वाला लॉजिक से किया, बट ये भी सही है. 250 ml में 2.65 ग्राम से तो 10 ml में कितना वेट होगा और 10 ml में मोल्स आ जाएगा. That moles divided by total volume 1000 ml. वो भी कर सकते हो. Good. So there can be many ways of solving the question. Once you know the concept, वो particular चीजें लेके आने के लिए molarity के लिए moles divided by volume चाहिए. Volume पता है moles कितना होगा और 10 ml में. You can do that. Any other doubts?
No, sir. No, sir.
So आज का लेक्चर में जो भी किया है हमने dilution as well as mixing of the solutions clear है ना? इनके अलावा
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I will be discussing only the workbook in the next lecture. So please solve that in-text exercise 2. In-text exercise 2 में तुम लोग को percentage yield उनके ऊपर भी कुछ questions है. If you are unable to do the questions on empirical formula for now, please don't attempt them. उसके बारे में concept हमको पढ़ना है. उसके अलावा जो भी percentage yield का question है, percentage purity का questions है, वो कर लेना. And exercise 1 में भी कुछ questions post किया है ना, वो last वाले, वो भी कर लेना. We will be discussing all the questions in next lecture. Please solve the workbook. Next lecture will be tomorrow. कल ही करेंगे.
ओके सर.
यस सर.
Okay.
Sir.
Okay. While solving, if you are having any doubt in any particular question, you can send me your query.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you, everyone.
थैंक यू सर.
Thank you,
Bye,
sir.
Have a nice day.
Thank you.
sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye, sir.
छुट्टी का
Bye,
सोचेंगे.
sir.
छुट्टी का सोचेंगे.
हाँ, sir.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Holiday.